Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Anna, and today I have a really special and exciting topic for you. So we're gonna talk about trading, and today I want to share with you how we can create our own trading strategy from scratch. I want to talk a little bit more about that because I think that's really important to understand before you start trading. The first thing that you absolutely have to know and to be sure of is when to enter the market and what assets to choose. So usually we work with assets that have stable payouts, and usually it's from 79 to 89%. And usually when you start trading, you need to analyze the assets that you have, and you need to make sure that the market is stable and you understand what's going on the market at the time. So the next thing that you should understand and be aware of when you start trading is what to do on the market. So whether you need to buy or sell. So you need to make sure that you understand a little bit about technical analysis, like the curves and when to enter the market. And obviously you need to understand when you need to leave the market. So usually it happens when you start losing time after time, and you understand that the market starts to be really unpredictable and unstable, and you just realize that right now, this moment is not the best and I should just leave. I guess that's the things that you really need to know when you start trading. And I think I'm gonna just talk you through my own strategy for today. So we can just start trading together, and you can see in real life right now how this strategy can work and how it helps me to make profit here on this platform. So let's just get started. So as I said, the first thing that you need to do is you need to choose stable assets. So as I said, today we are gonna work with assets like this, with the percentage like from 79 to 89. So I always choose as many assets as I can to possibly fit in the screen, so I have a variety of them. So if one goes unstable, I can quickly move on to the next one. So today we're gonna use candles for 30 seconds as usual, and make sure that you enable all the tumblers and settings right here. About indicators, I think that maybe we are gonna use oscillator and CCI today to help us trade for 1 minute. And I think the amount of money that I'm gonna go with today is $150. So that's also the thing that you need to make sure of when you start trading, like what is the amount of money that I'm gonna trade today. And of course it's your decision every time, but just make sure that you plan it out and you stick by it. Okay guys, now that we have set the platform, I think it's just time to start trading. So let's have a look at our assets that we have here. Let's find the one that looks secure. So right here you can see that the general trend of the price is growing, and after reaching its minimum over here, the price is gonna grow. So I think that this is a really nice moment to put in the trade and buy. So if you pay attention to our CCI indicator, you can see that this line has just crossed over here, this bottom line. So it means that the general trend of the price is going up. And also you can see on our oscillator indicator that the amount of buyers is growing, and this is exactly what's happening on the market right now. So I think in just a matter of seconds we're gonna have our profitable deal, guys. Also you can probably pay attention to this little candle So it was kind of unsure at first of what to do, but you can see that this long week was telling us that the price is gonna grow, and this is exactly what happened, guys. Oh my god, we just had our first profitable deal for today. So you can see how simple it can be trading with a strategy. So I think we just need to move on. Okay, let's have a look at our other assets and find a nice one for us. This one looks highly unstable, and yeah, I guess this can be a really nice moment to sell. Let me zoom out a bit. So you can see that for a really long time over here the price was growing, and I think after reaching this maximum over here, and you can see it by this candle, the two candles over here, the general trend is gonna change and the price is gonna lower. So you can see that our oscillator is showing us the same, that the buyers are leaving this market and no one's buying, so that's why the price is lowering. And our CCI indicator is showing us the same, although they are trying to push the price up, and maybe for a moment this is exactly what's gonna happen. But we just didn't have like the best moment to put in this trade, so we are gonna learn from that mistake. And although we just had a not profitable deal, guys, we know that we have our martingale strategy, and it's the thing that we use when we don't have profit, unfortunately. So we're not gonna lose ourselves and think about that loss. So we're just gonna double up the amount of money that we're gonna bid, and we are gonna maybe change our asset to find a really stable one with the market that we can clearly understand and analyze, and have a profitable deal. So this situation looks promising. It seems like the trend have just changed and the price is gonna grow, so I think I'm gonna buy here, guys. So yeah, again, if I zoom out a little and you can see the flow of the price, like the general picture here, you can see that after reaching this minimum over here, the price is just gonna compensate itself and it's gonna grow and grow, and this is exactly what's happening. And I think this trade right now is really safe and secure, and we're definitely not gonna lose this time, because everything is just in perfect synchronization, guys. So if you look at our indicators, they are showing us the same, that the price is growing, the amount of buyers is growing on this market. So I think in just a moment we're gonna have our profitable deal. And yes, guys, so we just used our martingale strategy and we covered up all the loss that we previously had. Okay, guys, now that we have just covered up all the losses that we have, I think it's time to just keep trading. So I think I'm gonna make a couple of more trades just so you can see how this strategy works. And as always, we start with analyzing the assets that we have, just to understand which one is going to be the safe one and secure one to put in the trade. This one looks promising. I think I'm going to buy over here. So you can see that our indicators are showing us the same information, that the price is going to grow. So you can see that our oscillator is showing us that after this little break moment over here, the amount of bias is growing and it's doing it quite stable, and also our SSY indicator is showing us that the general trend, so you can see this wick that's going towards up, and it's also showing us that the price is not gonna be any lower anytime soon. So of course the price is gonna compensate itself after this minimum over here, and I think just in a matter of seconds we're gonna have our profitable deal. And yes, guys, another win over here. I think we're just gonna make maybe one more deal just so you can see the process again, and we're gonna call it quits for today, because also, as I said, you need to really understand the moment when you need to stop trading. It's also really important. So I think for today, one more trade is going to be enough for me. So let's make sure that we choose a really stable and secure one. Okay guys, let's keep trading. So I think this asset is not really stable actually, and right now is definitely not the best moment. This one seems to be in another really stable moment as well. Let me zoom out a little bit so I can analyze the situation better. Yeah, let's maybe pay attention to another one. Just to make sure. Although you can see that the general trend again is growing, you can see that our oscillator is showing us that the amount of buyers is lowering any minute. So I think that the price is actually gonna lower. That's why I decided to sell over here, and you can see that for now, and I'm sure it's gonna stay this way, the price is not gonna grow, and you can see that our SSY indicator is showing us the same, that after this big breaking point, the price is lowering. So I think that this is going to be a really profitable deal for us, guys, and I think that the whole session can be called really successful today. So we had a lot of profitable deals, and although we had one that I didn't win, unfortunately, we covered up all the loss, and yes, oh my god guys, sorry, we just had another profitable deal. So I really hope that this video was useful for you, and that I could really help you understand the basics of this strategy and how you can make your own, and what steps you need to make in order to create one. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. I'll see you next time. See ya.